Hi there, in today's video I'm going to draw an iPhone. Now I'm basing this iPhone on my 12 Pro Max and I'm starting with a rectangle. I'm using a Copic multiliner to outline mine and I'm putting in the frame of the phone. I've got mine in a little case, so that's why I'm doing this. This is the case of the phone. Comes up and around, and then at the top it sort of comes in where the front camera is, so just bring it down a little bit like that. We have a sort of a long sort of line and a circle there. Now I'm going to put a line across there because this is going to be the bottom where there's going to be a few apps, and I'm putting on some dots so that you can swipe across to show there's more apps. And I'm putting on 3 apps, little rounded squares like an app, and this is just to show that this might be the pants of the iPhone and the play button for YouTube, good old YouTube, and the home button, and the lucky last, the heart button, the health app. I'm going to put his arm on, and I'm creating a really simple arm. And it's like a hands on the hip, and the arm is sort of like a little oval sort of shape. Hand on the hip. Now this is the other arm, and it's going to have a Apple Watch on, so just a little circle with a band. And that's an analog watch. And then the arm comes out and around. And you can see I'm just drawing a double line. I'll colour that in black later. The mouth. It's a bit of a shocked expression, seeing what time it is. A circle for the eye, another circle for the eye. You could put on whatever type of face you want. A couple of little eyebrows to make it look surprised. A couple of little circles in each eye to make it look like a kawaii style. And then also a couple of buttons on each side. Hey, thanks to Ruby and Lulu for suggesting that I draw a phone character. I hope you're enjoying the video. A couple of straight lines and a semicircle for the foot. And now it's time to put in some black colouring into the eyes, the arms and the legs. I'm going to speed up the video and colour it in using some markers and some pencils to add some details.